In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M17, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, launch settings and scroll to tap on advanced features available over here. Now, you need to click on this section called Dual Messenger, and before doing anything, decide if you want to use separate contact list. If you do, you need to use gray switcher next to this feature. Click on it on the left and hit select contacts to divide them. Pick contacts from your cloned app by hitting add at the top right corner and tapping on chosen ones. Then select done, and when you finished, go back. If you would ever wanna delete those contacts, hit delete, select them, and confirm your choice at the bottom right corner. Then select don't add or add in the pop-up. To disable this feature fully, use the same no blue switcher and hit OK. Now, to clone any app regardless if you wanna use separate contact list, use gray switcher next to the chosen one under available apps and hit install. Then wait. So when I go back and check it out, I can see that my Facebook was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, just go back to the same section, use no blue switcher, and hit uninstall. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!